So today I'm going to show you how I got a low sleek fluffy ponytail in under 20 minutes. So basically, I just deep condition my hair and rinse it out because I don't shampoo. I'm just gonna section my hair off and I'm going to moisture my hair with moisture. That don't even make sense. I'm gonna just put oil in my hair. I'm gonna use tea tree oil and oil my scalp and my roots and like the length of my hair and the ends. And I'm just gonna brush that through. And then I'm gonna use Texture ID. This is my first time using it. It kind of smells like, to me it reminds me of like a candle of like, or like, you know when people walk past you can smell them and kind of, and you'd be like, I don't know, it just reminded me of that. But it is pretty thick and it gave me some nice definition. Like you're gonna see through the video, it just gave me curls popping, and I was gonna do a wash and go, but I really didn't feel like it. But anyways, I'm just gonna put it through my hair and brush it out and make sure everything's combed out. See, look at them curls. Just, oh, I'm gonna do a wash and go. But yeah, and then I'm just gonna put the green Eco Styler gel over it because that gives me the best hold, especially for when I'm trying to slick my hair down. And then I'm just gonna section my hair off and do another section, and I'm gonna do the exact same thing. Put tea tree oil on the scalp and my ends, and put Texture ID over the top and comb it through. Now, don't come for me, but I'm gonna part my hair, and to get it precise, you know the little end of the ragtail combs. I only had the end part, but look, I have to do what I have to do. But I'm just gonna give myself a middle part. I was feeling it, and I'm just gonna separate those two sections and split them both in half and do the back sections first. And I'm just gonna slick both of them back and do the same thing. Okay, so I didn't really go to my good beauty supply. I just went to like the beauty supply that was near me. So I went to Sally's and I got this fluffy natural ponytail. It doesn't look as big in the package. So when I took it out, I was like, whoa. And I had to actually move my ponytail up some so it would look more natural. But I just clipped it into the ponytail. And I took the string and I just wrapped it around. After I pulled it as tight as I could, and then I wrapped it around and bobby pinned it under, because you definitely were not gonna see it. So then I was gonna do my edges. I had to cut out like 20 minutes of me doing my edges because I wanted to get them perfect. But the texture ID made my hair kind of oily. Like it came off oily, and it was harder to lay my edges. Usually I can lay them like with not a lot of them fighting back and like trying to lay me down. But like I was trying to lay my edges and they was trying to lay me down, and I was just like, wait a minute. So I had to keep like going over them or whatever, and I finally got them after a minute.